Oh, what up, man? This be your boy. Welcome back. Welcome back to McCree crew, man. So we're about to go show some love to one of our cousins who just opened up a spot. So we about to go detail shop. So we about to go get the truck detailed. So make sure y'all stick around and get that. We about to go show some support, man. He live about 45 minutes away, so you know what I'm saying, we're gonna ride down here, get a wash, like I said, hey, but we on the way on I-10 by 10. Let's go. Hey man, we just got here, man. Y'all see Darian? Darian gonna be the cameraman. So okay. Alright, so they're gonna wash mine next. So they gonna wash my truck. So he gonna let me park right there. So we're gonna get right there. You got the camera, Darian. It's your time to shine. Your time to shine.
So I gotta go and go. I gotta go over there. I gotta go over there and go right there. Okay, good. Maybe it's in my hand. That right there. Let me just. Okay, that's my truck and that's Travis.
Cameraman, you gotta tell Travis, give us a shout out. No, we gonna put it on now. You got to hold the camera right.
There is Charlie at him.
You see it? Tell them what we about to do.
We better walk my daddy's truck. We better walk my daddy's truck. Travis not play it now. So he's in the water.
Come in the hole, y'all. Come in the hole, I'm getting late. Go! Yeah, wait for you. My boy, man. He's on the bounce. He's on the bounce some more.
He might. You wanna go bounce? Y'all wanna bounce?
Huh?
Y'all wanna bounce? You gotta talk to him.
Okay. They look like daddy's truck.
You gotta talk to him. They get red.
Huh?
You wanna go enough? The boys enough.
Little boy.
You wanna go enough? Get red. Get red. Tell Red to talk, cause we're gonna put this on our page. Tell her to talk. You gotta point the camera. What you doing?
Thank you. Yep, put me on there. Put the pills on there.
He's recording. He's been recording the whole time.
Chilling with your daddy today? Okay, that's good. Relaxing time, having some fun.
Yeah, I see what made you cut it off.
I didn't cut out.
Darian in the bouncy house, doing some tricks. Acting like he in a wrestling ring. Do the trick. Do your trick. Do your trick.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Put your shoes on then. Put your shoes on.
3 months, that motherfucker, I was put a lock on that motherfucker.
Yeah, so this is the after, man. Looks good. I ain't closed the door, man. He got everything, man. He got me, man. I ain't seen the truck ain't looked this good since I first got it, to be honest. And it was dirted in. Clean. Got clean. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tell me what y'all think about the truck, man. I may do a video showing the whole truck. Y'all seen the insides a little bit, all red, so y'all let me know what y'all think. Hey, and we out.